Good day, YouTubers. Time for a spot of royalty. Meghan and Harry and Archie's picture is scrubbed from the Queen's address. Okay, we can see here, we can see Philip here, Charles and Camilla. This is the Christmas card for the Cambridges, and this is her father. Where's Meghan and Harry and Archie? And, Archie's brand new. This is his first Christmas. He's not, goodness. And he's not even up there. Now, the Queen did mention the birth of her eighth grandchild. And this picture was flashed up on the screen. This is a Photoshop. We can't see Archie's face. Doria is too big. She's towering over Meghan, and she's shorter than Meghan. The Queen is dressed very casually. A lot of, Meghan is the Photoshop queen, the bad Photoshop queen. Putting up bad Photoshops. So it's kind of like the Queen, not showing Meghan and Harry and Archie here in the photographs, and then showing her, and then talking about Meghan and Harry and Archie in the body. It's kind of like putting them at the back of the balcony. Remember how they were at the back of the balcony behind Andrew? So, why? Oh boy, everything must fall out. Let's just start off with, why was there no pic of Meghan, Harry, and why was there no pic of Harry, Meghan, and Archie up on the table? I mean, are they already out? Is it already over? What's going on? Why is there no pic? Because I'm beginning to think it could already be over. The divorce is already in process. It could already be over. Why is there no pic of Meghan, Harry, and Archie on the table? Because she's definitely sending a message. Veil. Ruler. Mercury sending a message. Scapegoat. Out. Kicking him out. Woman. Revealed. Okay, why? Why? Veil. Secrets. The center is secrets. The ruler, the king, the queen. Message. Message from the Queen about the secrets. She's hinting at what's really going on. Heart. In everybody's best interest. Kicking them out of the royal family. They may already be out. What's on the mind is removing Meghan and Harry. Kicking them out. Woman, Meghan, revealed, finger of God, imposed, and comes from outside, disaster. Imposed disaster, revealed. So revealing, she's hinting at that she's thinking of kicking them out. That's what she's kicking them out, sending them overseas, removing them. I mean, they're on a 6-week sabbatical that is being extended over and through Christmas. Let's just ask it another way. So the Queen announced her 8th grandchild, and she flashed up the picture of, the Photoshop picture. Is this an olive branch to Meghan? Oh, Meghan and Harry, please come back. Okay, is that an olive branch? Or not? I mean, is that an olive branch? What is that? The flashed up picture, mentioning them on the back end. Magi. Okay, is that an olive branch? Okay, very publicly, sudden manifesting. 13, 14, 4 diamonds. And strength. Just recognizing that they're part of the family, and it's just, I think she felt that she had to mention them. Okay, it would just be too strong of a message to not mention them at all, so she flashed them up afterwards. But then she talked, she really kind of highlighted them almost gave them a place of honor by doing it that way. So manifesting very publicly, suddenly. And then she was talking about the birth of Jesus. So, I mean, relating the birth of Archie to the birth of Jesus, that's a little much for me. Okay, rooted. Yeah, she just, was that an olive branch to come back? It's not like come back. She's not telling them to come back. There's no return of lover here. The Seven Hearts is not here. There's no emotions here. She's manifesting and recognizing. Okay, Yanina Gavankar released the original picture of the original Christmas card picture. Did Meghan ask Yanina to release this picture, or Yanina is trying to separate herself from Meghan? Oh, this is a disaster. I don't want anything to do with it. Let's look at that. So let's put Yanina here and Meghan there. Yanina and Meghan. Okay, is Yanina like, I don't want anything to do with this, leave me out of it. I didn't do that photo. Yanina. Or did Meghan Meghan is always asking people to defend her. Did Meghan call Yanina and say, you need to defend me? And make hyperbolic statements that are very emotional and completely not based in any kind of facts. Because that's what we like. That's how social justice is done. Okay, raving about your feelings. Okay, Yanina, is she trying to separate herself from Meghan and this disaster of a Photoshop picture, or did Meghan ask her? Well, we have the relationship cards talking relationship. This is Meghan's side. Everybody working together, the relationship 12, 15. Meghan asked her, sweet gesture, permanent relationship, decision. 8 and 7 is 15, 4 clubs. Yeah, Yanina was asked to do this. Yanina's not trying to break away from Meghan. Conflict in the foundation. Yanina's not trying to break away from Meghan. Okay, so Yanina was asked. She was asked to do this. Okay, in another photo we have Prince Andrew for Christmas, he's posting the rear end of his dog and talking about and posting paths and saying we're looking forward to the future. Is Andrew trying to tell the world that he doesn't care what they think? I mean, he's posting the rear end of a dog. Now, it's clean. It's not a dirty rear end. But that's, wow. Is Andrew telling the world that he just doesn't care what they think? I mean, kind of sticking the middle finger up or, putting a dog's butt in your face. What is Andrew's message? Or is he like the buffoon prince? I mean, it's just a really bad move. I mean, who would do that? Oh, okay, let's back up here. Okay, is Andrew, really telling off the public by posting a dog's rear end? Or is he just, it's kind of, who would do that? He's kind of a buffoon. Solid foundation, all the people, message to all the people about the solid foundation, 12 and 13, 4 hearts, 4 clubs, 5 hearts, and snake. Reacting to the great difficulties very opportunistically, 9 and 12, 21, 6 hearts. He is not trying to offend people. He's not trying to offend people by doing that. He is just trying to get through the difficulties. And he's a little bit unfiltered. So he was not trying to offend everybody. Interestingly, it seems rather offensive, but he was not trying to offend other people. And that's that would bring criticism on the prince. That would bring criticism on Prince Andrew. All right, let's review. Why is Meghan, Harry, and Archie's photo, why is it missing here? She's thinking of kicking them out. She's telling the secrets. People always tell you what they're going to do 1,000 times before they do it. She's telling us what's on her mind. And what's on her mind is kicking out Meghan, Harry, and Archie. She's thinking about kicking them out. They didn't show up for Christmas. That's Archie's first Christmas. It's a disaster. She's kind of letting the public know that she thinks that Meghan is a disaster for the royal family. And she's thinking about kicking them out. And that's what she's telling everybody. She's letting us know what's on her mind. And that's what people do. Okay, so was this an olive branch? She flashed up the fake Photoshop of her. And that's a Photoshop. I mean, she would know if she was there in her very casual pajamas. And sweater. She would know. Okay, she knows she's not there, and yet she's flashing up that picture. Manifesting for the public just this, just saying we're all still family. That's what it is. We're all still family. We're a solid family, and it's just for show, because behind the scenes, it's a disaster. So she's just saying we're still a family, but she wants to kick them out. It's been so terrible. How can it be worse? And everything Meghan and Harry do, and particularly Meghan, it's a disaster. Okay, so Yanina posted up the original, which the whole thing is a Photoshop, but she's posting the original. So like she was there, and she snapped that picture of Archie, Harry, and Meghan, and ugh. Okay, so was she asked to do this? She was asked to do this. She's not disavowing Meghan, oh, I don't want anything to do with this disaster. Meghan asked her, just like all these politicians. Justin Trudeau just came out. Everybody's defending Meghan. This is another defense of Meghan. So to keep a good relationship with Meghan. So Yanina is not trying to get away from Meghan. Yanina Gavankar. Okay, so Andrew posting the rear of a dog. Is he really trying to offend the public? Or he just is very unfiltered and he doesn't think clearly about what he's saying. He doesn't think very clearly about what he's saying. This is just an oopsie. It's an oopsie, posting the rear end of a dog. Odd. The royal family is nothing if not entertaining. Andrew and Meghan are really entertaining. That's how I see it. That's your royalty today. I'm Joseph Magi, author of Playing Card Divination, Fortune Telling, The Magi Method. Find the book worldwide on Amazon and Kindle and paperback versions. Find the full color card deck used here on Etsy/Magi Method. Other merch in the description from Teespring. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment.